Master Pottery.
Are you recording?
I want to look at it. Finger. Put your finger in it. This is exactly what it's like to have sex with a woman. Or finger the woman. Yep. This is a tutorial on how to finger. Tutorial. But we're using Adobe. No, Play to do this. Don't touch it! No! Stop. Can I? You can find it at the beach. I'm not even kidding. I swear. I found like this. Me and my sister found like that much in the water. We were like, my sister stepped on something and then she picked it up and it was clay.
Did she freak out when she stepped on it?
No, it was hard.
She thought you were out? Wait, stop.
This is not clay. He's shit in his pants. I'm trying to make it. We're trying to make shit look good. Watch this video. Like, rate, subscribe. Like, rate, subscribe.